Well, stubborn showers continue across the area this evening, so keep the rain gear packed if you're heading out for any evening plans. Slowly starting to dry out as we head into our Sunday, but even nicer weather really as we head into the upcoming work week. So I think we kind of all deserve that for sure, especially after all the rain we've seen over the last few days. More on that in just a bit, but first let's get into the satellite and radar picture here. And scattered showers continue across a good portion of South Louisiana here late this afternoon and into this evening. Now this heavier batch of rain out here in the Gulf of Mexico, that's going to be bypassing us as it tracks off into southeastern Louisiana, but still looking at some lingering moisture, overrunning moisture in Texas and into the western Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be gradually spilling inland here over the next few hours. So expect off and on scattered showers through this evening. Nothing overly heavy, should stay relatively light in nature, but really just more of a nuisance if you have any evening plans for sure. Light rains continue here across at least portions of Acadiana into eastern Acadia, southern St. Landry Parish, and looks like a little bit of a wet commute if you're traveling on Highway 190, maybe heading eastward over to Krotz Springs and Baton Rouge, so keep that in mind. Meanwhile, across the coastal parishes, we were watching a heavier pocket of rain that moved right over Franklin and the Highway 90 corridor, but that is gradually starting to weaken as well as it makes its way into lower St. Martin Parish near the Bell River area as well. So again, if you're heading out this evening, just keep the rain gear packed, as we are going to be dealing with some off and on shower activity as illustrated here with the high resolution rapid refresh model taking us through 10:30 p.m. this evening. Most of that activity comes to an end, we'll say midnight or shortly thereafter. Still dealing with some lingering cloud cover, maybe some breaks in those clouds at times through the overnight period. It's going to be a cool start to our Sunday with temperatures dropping down into the lower and middle 50s. And then we'll call it partly sunny skies throughout the day on Sunday. Staying cool, temperatures middle to upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. We'll hold rain chances at around 10%. Might see a couple very light showers, kind of misty sprinkles developing through the course of the afternoon, but really nothing of consequence. And the overall coverage of rain tomorrow is going to be much lower compared to what we've seen over the last few days for sure. Now, temperature-wise, I know many of you have reached out and said, hey, it was kind of cool out there, and it's going to stay cool through our Sunday as cooler air mass continues to filter into the region, lower humidity as well. So we'll take it. Again, lower to mid 50s by tomorrow morning. And then again, looks like more clouds than sun out there on our Sunday. Temperatures upper 60s, maybe approaching 70 degrees in spots. Even a little bit cooler as we head into tomorrow night, Monday morning. Check it out. Temperatures upper 40s to lower 50s. And we'll call it fair to partly cloudy skies out there on our Monday. Finally, rain chances are going to return to zero, as those temperatures will be climbing closer to the lower 70s, and much of the upcoming week looking pretty good before rain chances elevate on us as we head, we'll say, into Friday and Saturday. So again, overnight tonight, going to be dealing with those scattered showers here this evening. Your rain chances at 60%, but gradually tapering off as the night wears on, especially after midnight. Cool conditions, lower to mid 50s by tomorrow morning. We'll call it partly sunny skies out there for our Sunday. Maybe a quick passing light shower, kind of a misty sprinkle out there tomorrow afternoon, but again, nothing of consequence. Comfortable conditions, again, upper 60s to near 70 degrees, lower humidity as well, so definitely feel nice out there. Northerly breeze at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Again, much of the upcoming week looking pretty good, and I'll step back in here. It looks like we'll have a little bit of a cool front move through there on Tuesday. That'll drop our temperatures into the mid 60s by Wednesday, and then perhaps a little bit more unsettled as we round out next week. We'll say Friday going into Saturday, but still about a week out, so we'll watch the trends and how the pattern evolves in the coming days. Kendria?